Hi guys, thanks so much for joining us for today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is Bronzer 101. We're using our Golden Shimmer Bronzer, so it does have some gold flecks into it, and it's going to create a little bit of a shine when the sun hits you. So let's get straight to it. The first step is to tap the product onto the peak of your cheekbone and up towards your temple, creating like an L shape. By tapping the product first, I'm applying the product and now I'm going to blend it using long strokes up and down onto the cheekbone. Then the next step is to take the bronzer near your ear, down your jaw, under your chin. This is going to again highlight the idea of a sun-kissed glow. And then tap, long strokes. This is going to give it a nice flow and not so much of it being choppy. We want it to be blended and look as natural as possible. So next we want to take the bronzer and focus on the hairline on your forehead. This is going to make the forehead look a little bit smaller, but it also is going to help create that all around sun-kissed look. So you want to push the product into the hairline and then drag the product downwards. You don't want to focus on the middle of the forehead, just on the hairline area. And then very lightly, I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer on the ridge of my nose. Because you know when you're in the sun, your nose, your cheeks, your forehead gets color first. So one of my tricks just to kind of really blend it out is I'll use my brush and make sure I add the product on the outside of the brush, leaving the middle very clean. So I'll then use the middle and let the dust spread over the face in a very light, natural way. An additional tip is you can use a cream highlighter to kind of, again, work with that glow. And by putting a little bit of product, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Stick, on my cheekbones and on the ridge of my nose, it's really going to give us the highlight. Well guys, thanks so much for joining us for today's tutorial. I hope you like. Any questions, comment below. And until next time, bye.